The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Digital Inverter Top-Load Washing Machine. It comes in 6.5 kg and 7 kg capacity range. It features digital inverter technology, 5-star energy efficient, Wobble Technology, and diamond drum. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. 5-star energy rating. Spend less on bills, and protect the planet. The washing machine's high energy efficiency is certified by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, with its highest 5-star rating. Its low power usage saves you money and also reduces harmful CO2 emissions, so it has less impact on the environment. The Wobble Technology comes with the all-new Wobble Pulsator, which washes clothes by generating dynamic and multi-directional wash flow for enhanced dirt and stain removal. It prevents fabric damage and minimizes tangles, twists and knots. The diamond drum's unique, soft curl design washes clothes very effectively while treating them with care. Its smooth, diamond-shaped ridges are gentle on even delicate items. The small water exit holes also prevent the fabric from being trapped and damaged. Diamond drum keeps clothes looking nicer for longer period. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Top-Load Washing Machine.